Ramagani friends, I am Ahimsa. This video is going to be very interesting because we all have to make some projects in our school and college. Today I am going to help you guys to make your project more beautiful and full of creative ideas. So without wasting any time, let's start. We need handmade paper, glue and some feathers. We will first cover the project file with a handmade paper and then staple it. Then we will use glitter paper as I am using them to make shapes of alphabets. You can use anything of your choice or write down text with color markers. Do keep in mind that while cutting the paper, cut mirror images of the alphabet and then reverse like I have done in the video. You can cut these paper in different designs with your creative ideas. As I am writing political science project, you can write the project name which you are working on. Now assemble all the alphabet on the file and fix them with the help of glue. Now we will decorate the rest of the portion of this file. I am using some natural elements and this will make your project look different from others. I am using some small sunk that I found near my house. You can use anything like small pebbles, sticks, etc. They will all look great. Paste these sunks with the help of glue and let it dry. I have colored some of them and I am making flower patterns as you can see in this video. If you like this idea, then do share your experience in comment section. We all have birds near our houses. If you make some effort, you will definitely find some bird feathers. Collect different feathers. If you have peacock feather, that will be great. Now use your creative skills, color them and make them more beautiful and give them perfect finish. I have made some of the designs. You can use these designs or make your own design by using your own creative skills. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Nature always wears the color of the spirit. So, I will definitely recommend you to use natural things, waste materials like peanut cover or any dry fruit cover, color them and make them useful. I think these things will make your project look unique and you don't have to buy any fancy decoratives, and above all, these things will enhance your creative side. So, think of the things that you think can be used and do share in the comments. If you find this video useful, then do let us know by giving a like. If you want videos on any other topic, then do leave a comment and I will definitely work on it. And if you have any suggestions, then do leave it in the comment section. I have colored 4 feathers and if you have peacock feather, you need not to color it. Now use glue to stick the feathers as you want to make your project more beautiful. Now I am using a glitter tube on the text to make it more visible. You can use it or leave it if you want. Here is the final look of the project. I hope you would have liked it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.